In this video, I'll show you how to insert a table of contents in Google Docs. Before you insert the table of contents, make sure your document is using real heading styles. Google says the table of contents is built from text formatted as title, subtitle, or heading 1 through heading 6. So if your section titles are just bold text with a bigger font size, they may not appear in the table of contents until you apply proper heading styles first. To do that on a computer, open your document, select a heading, click Format, go to Paragraph Styles, and choose the correct heading level, like heading 1 for main sections and heading 2 for subsections. Once your document structure is set up this way, Google Docs can automatically build the table of contents for you. Now place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people insert it near the top of the document, usually after the title page or introduction. Then click Insert, go to Page Elements, and choose Table of Contents. Google says you can then choose the style you want for the table of contents. If you're using the Google Docs app on iPhone or iPad, the steps are a little different. Open the document, tap Edit, place the cursor where you want the table of contents, tap Insert at the top right, then tap Table of Contents and choose the style you want. Google's mobile help page confirms that this option is available there as well. After the table of contents is inserted, it will use the headings already in your document. If you later add a new section or rename an existing heading, you need to refresh or update the table of contents so it matches the latest version of the document. Google says you can click the table of contents and use the refresh or update option to bring in the latest heading changes. You can also edit the look of the table of contents after inserting it. On a computer, Google says you can click the table of contents, open more table of contents options, and change formatting details like which headings appear and the heading indents. One thing to remember is that if your document is in pageless format, some table of contents formatting options are limited. So the full process is simple. Format your section titles with heading styles. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents. Go to Insert, choose Page Elements, select Table of Contents, and then refresh it later whenever you update your headings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.